All right, here is the real last video. We just have to do part C of 188. And what it's asking us is if a student is in performing arts, what is the probability that he or she is a senior? So it's going to be probability of being a senior given they're in performing arts. So we'll write that out the way that it needs to be written. And so it's probability of senior given art. So if we know that they are in performance art, there means that is a total of 4,859 people in performing arts, and 1,030 of those are seniors. And so we set up our probability. We set up our probability down here. Sorry, I'm going to extend this. Set up our probability as 1,030 divided by 4,859, because again, that is your seniors in performing arts over the total number of performing arts, and that gives you a decimal of 0.21, which is 21%. So if you know, if they're giving you that there's a person in, if they're saying, hey, we have somebody that's in performance arts, there is a 21% chance that that person they're talking about is a senior. And that is the last problem here for the closure. The last thing you need to do is finish up the Chapter 10 review. You have today, tomorrow, Thursday to do that. Ask me questions. Once that's turned in, you are officially done with geometry. And yeah.